Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video we have a 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor package P7B that is now ready to be sold. This car has 119,000 miles and about $28.49 on the idle. It's a one owner, clean title. Okay guys, and it's ready to rock and roll, okay, for the next owner. So remember, the vehicle does come with a 3-month or 3,000 mile limited powertrain service contract, okay, to help you if there's any mechanical breakdowns, and that's just standard on all of our vehicles, okay. Aside from that guys, the car has been recently smogged. We road test our cars a minimum of 40 miles like that. If there's any issues, it happens on our clock and not on yours, okay. So cool. All right guys, so 2010 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor that is now ready to go. All right guys, let's go. All right, so we have some Unity spotlights. These spotlights are non-LED. They are fully functional, okay, so they are fully functional. You have a nice push bumper in the front. Okay, we have Goodyear Eagle RSA tires all the way around, 235, 55, 17, good tire life remaining, okay. The antennas that are on top are for display only. They are not connected, okay. There's on top, and then there's here as well, okay. This vehicle is yellow cap. Obviously guys, we do not we never go off the cap or the emission stickers, so we like to call Ford directly and ask them if the vehicle was spec for E85 flex fuel, okay. I know there's a lot of people saying, oh well, after certain years, you know, the cars are flex fuel. I don't believe anybody on the internet. I like my facts directly from the factory or from Ford directly, okay, because the last thing I want is somebody putting the wrong fuel in there and then surprise, right? So anyways, here we go. Right. All right, perfect. Let's now show you the inside. Okay, let's turn on a spotlight. Let that you see that the vehicle, that spotlights are actually on or are functioning properly. Okay, perfect. So in this vehicle here, it does show ballistics panels. The doors are quite heavy, so I'm pretty sure it does have ballistic panels, okay. Power windows, power door locks, trunk release bottom, okay. Adjustable pedals, and to turn off your traction control. Okay, the vehicle is not equipped with a radio. Again guys, this vehicle is not equipped with the radio, okay. Headliner is all in good shape. Seats are in good shape, okay. All right, let's show you some back seats. Okay, so back door, we have the prisoner door panel, okay, with the, you do have a secret lock or non-lock button or lever, right, or metal rod, okay. All right, let's go ahead and pop the trunk. You do have a second trunk release, which is right in the middle, okay, of your dash. Fully functional. Okay, here's your trunk. You do have a trunk pack, okay. Yes, sir. Okay. All right, let's show you passenger side. Got some wear and tear on the seat right there. That's from the usually from the cage. Okay. All right, now let's go to the front. This is passenger front passenger door. Same thing, ballistics panel. Awesome. All right, so now let's show you the engine compartment. All right, here's the engine bay. Remember guys, on none of our cars will we ever wash an engine. We'll clean the plastics, okay, but we're never going to put any water on the engine. We don't want to harm the engine, okay? We don't want any surprises. We don't want any misfires, okay? If you decide to do it when you buy your vehicle, hey, you're a brave man, okay, or woman. Okay, so, but that's just car policy. Okay, I'm going to be quiet now so that you can actually hear the actual engine idle. Perfect. All right, let's show you the odometer and the idle hours. So let's take a look. 28:49 on the idle, 119,054. Okay, perfect. Okay, remember guys, this car is ready for I'm sorry, this car has been smogged recently. Got its oil change as well. Okay, so this car is ready to drive. Okay, ready for new registration. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is take it for a quick spin, and I know I've done this before on some of the Crown Vics, but it's a request that I got from you guys. So let me go ahead and close it up, and let's get on the road. Let's do a quick 2-3 blocks, and then we'll be done with the video. Okay, 1 second. All right, so this is my view. Okay, on the vehicle, we are at idle, no funny noises. Okay, this is what I see. Okay, and you will see. All right, so let's go ahead and shift out, and here, let me get out of here first. All right, here we go. First, second, third. Nice and tight. Handles nice and tight. Suspension very stiff. Okay. Brakes are awesome. All right, so this is our first stop. One more to go. Okay, I'm going to be quiet now. I thought you get to hear the engine. Perfect. Park. Cool. All right, guys, so there you have it. 2010 Ford Crown Victoria that is now ready to be sold. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, 909-457-5500. Visit our webpage, click on the description on the actual video. Like that you get to see the actual pricing. Remember, we don't update pricing on the video, but we will update pricing on our actual website. Okay. So thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and consider hitting the subscribe button and the thumbs up to find more cool people like yourself that are into these type of vehicles. Okay guys, thanks for watching guys once again, and have a blessed rest of the day. Thanks.